Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. This is me, Mary Maidenhill. If you're digging this look, I just did that using the Ace Butte or whatever it's called, Scarlet Dusk palette that came in the January BoxyCharm. If you like, I'll put the video link on the bottom, at the end of the video so you can watch it. Today, we're going to be doing a Marshall's haul. I went to Marshall's and I bought a couple of things. I was just going, to look to see what was there. I was really not planning on buying anything, but you know that whenever you go to a store, you're always going to walk out with something. Of course, if you have the money to do so at the moment. You don't have to buy anything. You can just walk in there and look at stuff. Marshall's, I'm trying to be as quiet as possible. And I see that they have like this. I'm thinking about trying it out. Let's see if it works. They got some cool stuff over here. Let's check it out. Okay, so here we are. This is on the hair care. I'm actually very surprised that everything is so organized. I haven't reached the makeup area, so I'm pretty sure that if this looks like this, it might be nice. So we'll see. Let's see. Urban Decay liquid lipstick. Some shimmer. Nars. So the eyeshadow selection is not that great. Let's see here. This is, I don't know who Ellen Tracy is. Nope. Oh, they got some steel over here. Those are cute. I might try them. I like the steel bundles right there. There's eyeshadows here too. They're not that great. And I bought a couple of things. Woo! Now this weather here is just so strange. I live in Jacksonville, Florida, and today it has been so good. The weather, it was like maybe on the 70s, 70 something. So it's perfect because it's been freezing the other couple of days. So, I was excited to go out. So I have some makeup related stuff here and some not. For example, let me see. Do I start with makeup related or do I start with other things? Anyways, I'm going to start with makeup related stuff. Okay, so the first thing I got at Marshall's was this Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow palette. This one is all shimmers. As I can see, it has it here on the back. All shimmers. And this was originally $30. And I only paid $17.99 for it. Now this one, like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, all those stores, Ross, whatever, people touch things and they break it and it's nasty. Actually, the Marshall's area was a little bit, it was nice. So I did do a little bit of footage of the stuff that was there. So yeah, I found this palette. I'm going to show it to you. First of all, packaging, 100% awesome. It's like mirror. It has like a mirror. Look at that, it's so cool. I've never seen this palette before. So yeah, it's all shimmers. I'm going to open it here. Yeah, so look at it. It still has the plastic on the mirror, Look at those shimmers. Oh, I'm going to be touching the colors that draw me to it. I'm going to show it right here are the green colors, which is this one right here, that blue. Oof, that's amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and touch that one. I'm going to touch the green, which is called Lightyear. I'm going to put it right here. Look at that. Oh, that is just amazing. And then look at this. It didn't like it just went in my hand, on my hand. So I'm going to go ahead and try that magnetic color right here, which is this one right here. Look at that. Oof. I'm going to put it right here. I think I'm going to be using this palette in a look. Not today because I'm digging this look. Yeah, I just washed my hair. I'm just letting it naturally dry. I don't blow dry it that much or strain it that much. I tend to like leave it like that. So I'm sorry if I look like a spider. Anyway, so then we're gonna go into that color Element, which is not my favorite, but I do like the shift that it has because it looks yellow and like golden, but then it has like a pinky translucency shift, like a pink shift. You can see them here. I don't know if you can see them here. I'm going to put it here on the camera. Okay, so I'm going to do that one right here. Oof, look at that. Okay, so now we're going to try that color Galaxy on my other finger, which is this one right here. Right here. That one right there. It's like a purple, like a blue shift. That is so amazing. I like all these colors. I'm definitely going to be doing a very glittery, shimmery look, you know, soon. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one away. So this was the first thing I got. And then I got from Anastasia Beverly Hills from Marshalls for $7.99. I got the Cool Brown, which is the one I'm wearing right now. You can see it right here. That's the color I'm wearing right now. That was amazing. It looked so good. Now, this is something that I've been wanting for a while, but every time I went to either TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or whatever store, they were gross, broken, or they were just missing things. So, when I saw this, was the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit. I found it, and it was looking pristine. It was perfect. It even had a little grass stick on it. So I was like, I'm definitely grabbing it. This one, this palette, it retails for $24 and I got it for $16. I mean, come on. I'm not wearing any highlight right now, so I was waiting for this one to use it. So I'm going to go and use the color, I'm going to go with the Blue Ice. I'm going to go ahead and use that Blue Ice with this little brush I have here. I'm just going to dig in here. Doesn't look like it's picking up a lot, but we'll see. Let me grab my nice mirror right here. And let's see. Ooh. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. Ooh, that looks really cute. I don't usually use highlight, but I like to like buy it, have the packaging, have like the cooler ones. I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, I'm definitely loving it. That's why I wanted to get it. I definitely wanted to get it. So I got this Moonchild palette from Anastasia, and I am very, very happy for $16. Definitely worth it. I remember when this palette came out, and everybody was like, but there was like a lot of fighting because you could find this like at eBay, like a fake version of it, and no. I'm not into that stuff. Okay, so this was something that I bought because I thought it was actually pretty cool, and since I just did my makeup for this look, I wanted to try it out. This is the Shadow Switch Blush Cleaner. You don't need no water, no anything. You just rub the brushes here and it will clean them out. So you can use that same brush for this, you know, with a different color with that same eye look that you're doing. I don't know if this, will work. I got it. It was originally $8. I got it for $4.99, so it got $3 less. And when you pull it out, I've never seen this before. This is the brand Edge Beauty. It has like a little, I think it's like a lid. Yeah, comes with a lid. Cute. But this is it. All this is a stipple sponge. That's all this is. But anyways, let's see. I have a brush over here that I used. These are the brushes that I used for this look. This one is a pencil brush from Juvia's Place. I'm going to hit and rub that in there. I really don't know if it's really doing something, but let's see. Yeah. I mean, if it's a gimmick, fine. I already bought it, but I'm going to keep using it and believe that it works. Let me just do this one right here. I mean, I'm not getting any paint out of my brushes, so I think it is working. Yeah. Yeah, I think it is working, so that's good. Let me see this one. I use this one too. The Lancome one. Let's see. I use this one for like the really, this really intense orange. It's called Crimson. You can watch that other video. I'll put it at the end of this one so you can see it. Yeah, it came out clean. I guess this works. So I'm just gonna put it over here. It was $4, so we're good. Okay, yeah, $4.99 I think. Yeah, $4.99 actually. Okay, then we have that. Okay, this is not makeup related. I just saw it and I wanted it because I thought it was super cute. I love skulls. And I needed a new wallet. So I saw they had the Betsey Johnson. It's like a big wallet. It feels like it's leather, but it's not. It's like fake leather, but it feels so good. It had a little plastic here, but I guess it fell in the bag somewhere. This one originally retailed for $58. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, $58. And I got it for $14.99. I mean, come on. Look how cute it is. You can just open it like this. It opens really easy. You can just, you put your cards right here. You can put your driver's license here, your picture of your husband, your boo, your girlfriend, your, I don't know, whatever you want. And then you can put your cash, which I never have, because cash sucks. And then you can put your coins in here. It's completely brand new. I love it so much. Then you put your coins in here. There you go. And sorry for my dog. She's barking again. She wants to get here in the room. Okay, and then this is a shirt. It's a blouse. Let's call it the right way. It is a blouse. It's kind of like a burgundy color. It's an Ralph Lauren blouse right here. Let me see if I can show you here. I might put it on and show you guys. It has like ruffles. It's so good. It feels so good. And this one was originally $135. $135 right there. I don't know if you can see it there. And I only got it for $26. It was on clearance. So yeah, I got it. How did I feel about this haul? Yes, I'm very excited. Everything was super good. This, I'm going to keep trying it and see if it actually is working. I'm wearing that shirt. It's going to be my 10-year anniversary in January 22nd. So I'm going to be using that blouse for that special night. And then I got the lipstick. I got the eyeshadow palette, the shimmers, and I got the Moonchild highlighting palette. All this at Marshall's, and there was almost nothing broken there, so I was actually surprised that the makeup was really organized. And you're gonna be able to see there was a couple of things. Actually, no, there was something that was broken, but yeah, it was stuff that I usually don't go for, so I was like, you know what, whatever, it's all good. But anyway, so tell me what you liked. You can put some comments down there on the. You can put some comments. I'm sorry. Tell me what you liked, what you've used, if you like everything, and anything. I mean, whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, I need them followers. I need the subscribers. You can follow me on my social medias. Instagram as Mary Maidenhell Effects. You can find me on Facebook. I have a Maidenhell Effects page, or you can just follow me, Mary Maidenhell, on my actual page, Facebook page. We can be friends. Twitter is the same thing. It is Maidenhell 1983, I believe. So yeah, just follow me, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.